have been using the word regulation as meaning calming down. And that's not what nervous system regulation really is. Calm is oftentimes a result of our regulation efforts, but it's only one way that our regulation can look. It's not the definition. And I see this all the time. This is a pattern that I notice, is that people get really upset with themselves once they learn this language of nervous system regulation, because they think that because they got angry or triggered or upset or scared, that they're not regulated, that they still need to learn how to regulate. And sure, maybe that's true sometimes if you're a really reactive person, but actually different survival responses need different types of completion. And a regulated nervous system isn't one that is just always one way. It's not always calm. It's responsive. It's fluid. It knows when to protect. It knows when to move. It knows when to walk away. It knows when to rest. It knows when it's time to connect. And it can respond in all of those ways appropriately in the moment. So being healed doesn't mean being never angry, never scared. It means having the appropriate response to the situation at hand. And I don't want people to continue to feel like they're failing at their healing process because they're having normal human responses to the world that they see around them. And so let's stop moralizing the concept of being calm and allow ourselves to just have an experience, to have human experience of varying emotions, survival responses when they are needed. And let's just stop using the word regulation to mean calming down.